Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you another new airdrop, and the project is called Codex, and they already raised huge 15.80 million funding. If you look at their investors, then see top names such as Dragonfly, Coinbase Ventures, Wintermute, Selene Capital, Circle Ventures. So their backers are really solid. So what is Codex about? Their tagline says the native chain for all stablecoins. Basically, Codex is a blockchain built just for stablecoins, making stablecoin payments, cross-border transfers, and fiat to crypto ramps simple, fast, and cheap. If you want more information, then you can visit their website for more details. If you visit their X profile, you'll notice they have only 52k followers right now, and they are really active there to build a strong community, which is another positive sign for a project. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I've put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. The joining process is very easy. You need to come to this page. I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description where you will find this page link. After landing here, you need to sign in by clicking here, or if you don't have an account, then you need to create a new one. You can sign up using your X Social profile or wallet. Since I have a wallet, I select MetaMask. Then connect, then confirm, and done. So now the most important thing is click here on your profile section, then click here on the social section. Here, as you can see, I have already connected all my social accounts. When you first sign up, it will ask you to connect all these accounts, so first complete your profile. After connecting all your profiles, here basically you need to join their guild to participate in the airdrop. So here you need to complete a few tasks. For example, here you need to retweet their tweets, so repost, and after reposting, come back and click on verify, and done. So next task is for Discord. Keep in mind, connect the Discord account which is at least 6 months older. So if your Discord is 6 months older, then you don't need to do anything, just click on verify and it will automatically be done. Next, you get a task for developers. If you are a developer and you have a GH account, then this task is for GitHub. If you have a GitHub account, simply connect it here. Again, same process, click on the profile icon, go to socials. Here you will find the GitHub option, so you need to connect your account, then you can complete this task. On the left side, we can see some collectibles. We simply have to click on collect. For that, you need to switch to the base network and pay 0.0003 ETH gas fee. If you want to spend this fee, you can do it, but I won't recommend it. Still, if you want, you can collect it. Below that, you can also see some roles. As soon as you complete both tasks, you will automatically receive these roles. So that's how easily you can participate in this project. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, then ask in the comment section, and please like the video. And if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.